Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you all onto this channel, man. I hope that everyone is good. I just woke up and I'm about to get ready for work, but I just thought that, you know what, let me just talk about this. I once spoke about Utando Nosiyacela, our favorite couple, Raimzans. Check out this video and then we'll talk.
Wangibona ngibiza abantu la usungitakelwa nama
Cela indlela.
ngeke ngizolawulo yena la ekhaya. Mangifuna omunye umfazi, mina ngifuna omunye umfazi.
Akasanginiki inkinga eyitheni kodwa nje ukuba seduze wakhe nje kufanele ukuthi kuyanginukela.
Ayishanyisa lo. Ungala ngabe uyoshaya ungabuthi ngapha samsuku wenza i-divorce. Kuqonde nje.
Uthando wangena ecathulweni lapha nami ngingangena khona.
That was a clip from Isencane Lengane, Moja Love. Yes, you can check it out there. You know, a friend of mine did give me a lookings on DS, and I've been meaning to check it out as we're about to embark on a long weekend. I'm definitely going to check it out. I hope I'll be able to see this episode. Hey, yay! Usiyacela mina ngimthandela into eyi-1 between him and Uthando. Ngimthandela into eyi-1 u-A1. Usiyacela mina ngeke ngimblame for being who he is, in a sense ukuthi in their relationship kuThando, in terms of being disrespectful and all of that, yeah, he's very wrong. But I'm talking based on a relationship yakhe noThando. Usiyacela bafethu has showed uThando time and time and time, and not only just uThando, even nathi siyayibonela bafethu ayikabi. Not if we, and sometimes baby, when you are in a relationship, sometimes awuyiboni izinto ezenzekalayo. But umuntu ongaphandle kwe-relationship looking in, from outside looking in, then lapho you get to see ukuthi hayibo kwenzekala ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi nokuthi. And sometimes it's the other way around. You understand? Siyabona nje usiyacela bafethu does what he wants and uphila ngama-rules wakhe, hayi umunye umuntu. You understand? I even doubt Usiyacela will ever be able to work for anybody else with his attitude, and yeah, you understand? I do not know how his brain is wired, but in terms of seeing his actions nje with the small clips here and there, Usiyacela akanandaba nje nomunye umuntu, if I can put it like that. You understand? Usiyacela, when it comes to his relationship with Uthando, he doesn't hide anything in terms of ukuthi ufunani, ufukwenzani, because uyamtshela nala kule clip uyamtshela ukuthi yena mayefuna ukuthatha umfazi uzokwenza lokho, uzokwenza noma yini nje enakancenge next. Nangu usiyasho into engiyithande kakhulu here is what he said ukuthi if Uthando wants to leave me, akayeke lokho ethi uyangishiya akahambe ayothatha lento zani divorce. Lapho ke yobusela ngalento ayishona. Ukubeka lelo namba fethu. Ekuseni siphuza idaputapa. Akahambe uthathe ayongifaka i-divorce noma ayongidivorce. Then ilapho iyobe is serious and she'll be meaning what she's saying. Nakhona futhi uyambona umuntu onganandaba ukuthi uzokuluza or not onjani. He does not care, and I feel like enye into emenza ukuthi enze nakanje futhi, it's the matter of fact ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uThando will not go anywhere. Thando is here to stay. The sad thing about Uthando is that I feel like the environment that she is in labo mama laba abahlala nabo, if I'm not mistaken, abonkosikazi baba bakaSiyacela uBabdlamuka, they have also kind of influenced her, because if I'm not mistaken, one of them did say ukuthi lento iyamkhumbuza naye la ake akaba khona at one stage empilweni yakhe. I do kind of feel like they do have, because these women, they ilawo mama laba who have this mentality, hayi yazi kahlalo ke, yo kahlalo mntanami, yazi kahlalo wena ukhalelo okuncane ke, yazi kuncane lo wakho lapha into inkulu ingaka inkunzi malanga ubhazabhaza bulldoze, athi uyazi ukhala into encane ke wena yo, thina ubaba wayekahambe mhlambe noma enza ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi. So nje hlala mntanami, emshadweni kuyabekezelwa, emshadweni kuyabekezelwa. I feel like such conversations and talks have contributed a lot, or kuyena, in terms of having her have this mentality yokuthi no, she has to stay, this is normal. Excuse me, this is normal emshadweni, and this is what they mean. And enye into nanendawo esonihlala kuyo, uma ngakazi uphume uye ngaphandle nje for isikhathi bese uyabuya ekhaya, ayikho into ezoluka, ayikho into ezoluka, you know. So even with her having to say, her being next to him, kuyamnukela nje, kunamnandi, because if ukunukela kabi ngabe usuwenze something noma waqhela eduze kwakhe, but ukuphi, you know. So this whole situation, it's very entertaining, definitely going to work. Got my relationships, guys, that at first sibe worried, okay, mina ngibe worried, I think like, I can't wait to see, kuzowenzakala next, provided ayikho violence, but kwenzeka nje drama, so I'm on board, because angimzweli mina umuntu ongasicabangeli, ngimzwela umuntu ongasicabangeli, angimzweli umuntu ongacabanga ingane yakhe, angimzweli umuntu nje, you know, othanda nje indoda yakhe, la muntu abhele indoda yakhe ayinandaba naye, ibhizi ngelife yayo. And uthanda uzophumula yazi ngancane ngokuthiwa if usiyacela ethola umunye umfazi. I don't know. Tell me what you think about this whole thing down below. Did you watch the full episode? Namhlanje. Joba kuzoba long weekend. Dun. I'm definitely going to check it out. I'm going to check it out bafethu, and then we'll be giving my reviews. Yeah. Ukuthi uzamulaza zamulele semsezini nje bafethu. Hey bafethu, bye bye.